Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Union Pacific is a Fortune 500 company within the railroads industry. The stock price has outperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 1.8%. Earnings growth, 14.5%. Earnings estimates, 16.75%. Return on capital, 17.75%. Debt to free cash flow, 5.73 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 1.78%. Payout ratio, 43.07%. Growth rate, 14.27%. Growth years, 16 years. That gives Union Pacific 7 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at Union Pacific for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Union Pacific is modestly overvalued. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.